welcome to my blog. So today I'm going to explain and share with you guys the 3 uncommonly Filipino words. So let's start. Number 1, salumpwet. From salo or to catch and puwet or butt. So it literally means something that catches the butt. Like in short, chair. Funny, diba? So, first example. Umupo ka na sa salumpwet at magpahinga. So, in English, sit down on a chair and take a rest. Number 2, sip na yan. This is the old Filipino word for mathematics. It comes from isip or to think. At hanayan, arrangement siya or system. Basically, it means systematic way of thinking. So, example, ang sip na yan ay hindi lang tungkol sa numbers, kundi pati na rin sa logical thinking. So, in English, math is not only about numbers, but also about logical thinking. Number 3, tangan. So, it means to hold or to carry. Pwede din siya literal or figurative. So, example, tangan niya ang isang bag ng prutas. In English, he is holding a bag of fruits. Or pwede rin na tangan niya ang kinabukasan ng kanyang pamilya. In English, he carries the future of his family. So, these are the 3 uncommonly Filipino words that we learned today. So, first, salumpwet, sip na yan, and tangan. So, I hope you learned something new, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching!